So let's look at Bitcoin, give a little bit of a quick update on Bitcoin because I haven't done one in a day or so. Right now, we can probably negate this flag going to the upside. So the symmetrical triangle right now is breaking to the downside as far as I can tell. And actually, I didn't think it was a symmetrical triangle. I did say earlier it was a bull pennant. So really, the bull pennant is just breaking down bearishly. So because it's not a symmetrical triangle, we can just get rid of this triangle here. The next thing I want to look at is the stock RSI at the bottom of the screen. I just want to delete this last top line here so we can get rid of some of the clutter. And I just deleted the resistance line, so let's just delete the black line. So right now, we are well above the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame, which is currently sitting at 46.9, but that's also a big area of support back near that 47K support area. So really, I could see Bitcoin going to 57K. If we lose that, then the lower 50s is the next support, and then 47K is very strong support. If we lose that support, 42K, but I don't want to get super bearish here, but I am more bearish than bullish. I believe it's more likely we see like 50K before we see a new all-time high on Bitcoin. Also, what's not a good sign on the daily is you just lost the 21-day moving average, so that's a bearish sign. And so usually when you lose the 21, you go to where the 200 is at, just from what I've seen in price action in the past. The 2-day is about to do the same thing, and then that's at 38.5 for the 200. So, I don't just look at the 200-day moving averages, but I think moving averages are very important. And the 3-day is oversold, but at the same time, you're super far away from the 21 and the weekly, and the 200 on the weekly. So really, weekly also has more downside. It's probably going to put a higher low in unless we get a black swan event, because the last local low was down there at 25K. But overall, the smaller time frames, let's look at like the 4-hour chart and then we'll go from there. So the 4-hour chart is trying to get the bounce off of this support here at the $60,000 range. We went down right below 60,000, down to 59.6. So really the next area you would look to break above to remain bullish is the weekly resistance at 65,500. You're only about $2,000 away, and for Bitcoin at 65K, that's not a crazy move up. So if you break 65.5, we can be bullish again, but if you get rejected off of 65.5, which is very possible and likely in my opinion, then your next support is again 60K and then 57K to the downside. That's my update on Bitcoin. I'll make another update if we break 65.5, but if we don't do that, then obviously we're looking for more downside on Bitcoin. That's what I got for the update. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like, and I'll see you guys. So today is, Thursday, so I'll be back live Saturday at 11 p.m. Central Time. I go live Saturdays and Mondays at 11 p.m. Central Time, at least for the rest of the spring and summertime. Maybe fall time, we'll change it back to earlier, but yeah.